Very interesting. This is related. This is called Sneha Harinam. Sneha Man Pranaya Rag Anurag. Sneha. Sneha means affection. Our acharyas are telling us to chant the holy name of Krishna with sneha. Sneha Nam. Now it's a quality, it's a gun, it's a lakshana, a characteristic of the chanting of this mantra, the Maha Mantra, which we should have and feel. What is that? The word sneha, there are many in Sanskrit language there are many words which mean love. Priti, bhav, prem. These are some. And sneha is also there. And each of these words in Sanskrit, they represent different degrees of love. So what does it mean to chant the holy name with sneha? Sneha, the word sneha means affection, loving attachment, keen interest. Keen interest means I'm excessively interested in this chanting. I really like it. I really want to chant. Excessive interest. And absorption. Sneha Nam. Sneha Harinam means chanting the holy name with affection, loving attachment, keen interest, and absorption. The acharyas give two analogies, or comparison or analogies, to help us understand what is this idea of Sneha Nam. They say that we should mix our chanting of the holy name with the qualities of two special birds. There are two special birds in the Indian subcontinent, which are rather unusual. One is called a chataki, and one is called a charvaki, which is a feminine form, or chatak and charvak. And we'll hear about these two special birds and how they exhibit this quality of sneha, which means, again, affection, loving attachment, keen interest, and absorption. The chataki is a type of bird, very small, sparrow-like bird, and we see them sometimes. They still exist. You see them in the village. They only drink water from the rain cloud. They won't drink water from here, or from any standing water, only when rain cloud. What they do for 9 months a year, or 10 months a year, I don't know. That you can figure out. Because it only rains for 1 month or 2 months. Rainy season. But this is how it's described. So therefore, the characteristic is they have great and intense thirst. They're without getting water, they're lifeless, they're dry. So we should feel like that chataki bird. If he doesn't get some rain from a rain cloud, he will die. Maybe he migrates. When he comes, it's rainy season here, he's drinking water here, then he migrates and flies somewhere else. I don't know all the details, but this is the analogy they give. So we should feel like that chataki. When we chant the holy name, Sneha Nam means that when we're chanting, we should think of the chataki bird. And we should feel that, our chanting we should have that great interest, intense thirst, that without this holy name, my life is dry and useless. Without rainfall, the bird dies, is useless. Harinam is real life. There's no life elsewhere. Like the bird, this chataki bird, his only life is that cloud, that rainwater. Although there's so much rain everywhere else, so much water everywhere else, standing water, lakes, rivers. For him, his life is only there. So in the same way, the devotee who's chanting this Sneha Nam, he thinks there's no real life anywhere in this material world. It's all dead. The real life is the jivan, Nam jivan. The life is in this holy name. The ras, the flavor, the taste, the experience, the satisfaction, the absorption.